Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a calm and gloomy video vibe with this CapCut coloring. So first, just add your clips to the CapCut and then go to filter and add the Oppenheimer filter under the movies category and set it to around 80. Now click on adjust and follow the settings. So for the contrast, you need to lower it to -10, and then the exposure, increase it to 13, sharpen 20, then go to the shadow and lower it to -5 and temperature -6. Set the hue to -18 and then add some vignette effect around 11, and you will done with the calm yet gloomy vibe video like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.